What's up guys, Tyrannis here along with Odin. Like usual guys, we got another BarkBox. The month now is November. We usually get them around mid-November. And we try to get this video out as fast as we can to you guys. Just, if you're not familiar with what we do and how we do this, this is pretty much a box with toys for dogs that you can get to your home delivery. Just go online at BarkBox.com, put your info, deliver straight to your home. They have a few package deals, so just go and check it out. We usually don't even script this guy, so just let's go with the flow, guys. We don't even know what we're doing, guys, right, buddy? Look at this guy. This guy is a crazy bull terrier. If you're not familiar with us, and Odin, bull terrier likes a bunch of toys. He's got millions of toys now because all the BarkBox, all the other videos that we do. So let's just jump right into this, guys. All we care about is toys. All Odin cares about is treats, and we'll see what's in here. So we got a cool green box this month. Definitely. BarkBox is pretty good about like their packaging. They always make it fun and interesting. So right away, we got some funky. Oh man, we got some Christmas. Oh, wait. I see Odin gets really into this. He loves his BarkBoxes. And then let me open the damn box. All right, guys. So we got, but it's freaking Thanksgiving still. But we're getting Christmas stuff like usual. Some people like jump the gun and forget about it. All right, we got wrapping colored paper. Hold on, bud. All right, buddy. Hold this thing. Hold this thing. Hold this thing. He doesn't even care. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Let me cover his eyes for a little bit. We'll cover his eyes, guys, so he doesn't get too crazy. You're blind now, buddy. You're a pirate. You're a pirate. All right, hold this. There you go. Thank you, buddy. All right, so let's get into the little postcard stuff into this, guys, because look, I literally have to hold him back because he doesn't let me get in here. So let's check this out. There's usually a postcard, which I never read till the end when nobody cares about these things anymore. So we gotta do it the right way. So there's like a letter. Like I said, BarkBox is pretty cool about putting stuff in there. Like makes it kind of interesting. Ah, damn it, man! Why I gotta fight you on freaking camera? It looks like hold that. It looks like I'm fighting him and stuff. All the other videos you see, their dogs don't even care about this. Look at this, I gotta pretty much fight this guy. Alright, so this is like a Santa Claus letter that I guess a dog's supposed to have written. It says, "Dear human, first off, thank you for the BarkBox. You're not welcome. This is the time of the year when humans start acting way more jolly, but I know it's not always eggnog and candy canes." Don't really get the shit. "I've seen you grumble and gripe your way through an early Monday morning." Who cares about this? Here, hold this. Hold this. There you go. Hold that. Here, take this. Take this. There you go. Thank you. Alright, hold it. Thank you. So, that's our validation, guys. I don't think you guys want to see us sit here and read that whole card. This is what we want, right? This is what you want. That and the Odin wants the treats. So, no, like usual, we're going to do it how we do. Toys first, then treats. Toys first, and then treats. This is what we do, guys. Alright, they usually have like plushie toys that I have to. He just goes crazy for. Like, this is the second video of the day, so I guess he's extra hyped. But, damn, look at this. This is actually pretty cool. It's like a moose, a hairy moose. Wait! A moose. Is it a moose? Wait! This is Fred. I'm terrible. This is a reindeer. Fred the reindeer. Let's see if there's anything interesting that we can read. Wait, let me present it, man. Damn, bro. So, long plush, spiky ball. So I guess inside there's a spiky ball. Bouncy, squeaktacular toy we provided with a spiky ball core. Freaking, there you go. There you go, get it. There you go. That's pretty much, that's what he wanted. He's just freaking going nuts on this. That doesn't matter about me anymore. It's all about him now. Alright guys, let's see if he'll come back. Let's see if he's gonna hold it. Take your toy, baby. Take your toy. Wait, I thought you wanted this. I thought you wanted this. He's falling off my couch. Destroy my couch, bud. Just destroy my couch. Alright, come on. Come over here. I guess he wanted scissors. Come over here. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come here. Come here. Alright, wait. Sit. Alright, good boy. So we got him to sit. Wait. Alright, so we got a young Grinch. Freaking simple to tell. Young Grinch. Well then, what do you think about the Grinch? Damn, I don't like the Grinch. Wait, what do you think? There you go. Grinch, go play with the Grinch. Go play with your Grinch for a second. Alright, he just cares about it for like 1 second and he just forgets about it. And what we got? Oh, we're gonna have to put this on him. We're gonna have to put this on Cat. What's up, Cat? Winry's over there just watching us like a weird cat. Yes, she is. So I'm pretty sure we can't get this to stay on his head, but Max's antler. So this is like, I guess from the movie Grinch where he's got one antler. Well, can we get this on? Wait! Give me that. Come here, bud. Wait. Hold on. Sit. Wait. Now. No. Okay, hold on. It's supposed to go on your head, bro. I'm gonna have to cut this and like see if I can get it on him and then get this on freaking camera. Alright, let's see if we can do this quick before we waste all this time making a freaking 30-minute long video of me trying to fight you with this. Come on, bud. How the frick do I put this on? Success! We got you. We got him. He's pretty good about wearing costumes and stuff. Like I got him the Halloween costume that you guys probably saw last year. Wait! This is freaking terrible. What kind of video is this? Sure, it's pretty freaking worst video you ever seen about a dog opening his boxes. Hold on, you gotta wear that shit now. Come on, sit. Good boy. Alright, you gotta wear that shit now. Stay, sit. How many times you guys see a bull terrier wearing this freaking reindeer horn thing and he just takes it like a champ? Look at that. He's a champ. Alright, buddy. You deserve this shit. Come here. We got Koha turkey chew. I just can't freaking stop laughing because of that thing. Koha turkey chew. Is this usually their stuff is made in the USA too? Canada and all that China shit. Made in USA. Made in USA, guys. Odin, you want this little treat? Ah, that's a pretty big treat. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, there you go. Chew it for like 2 seconds and then let's get back to the video. Can you chew it, bro? Yeah. Get out of here with that shit. Get out of here. We're gonna chew it for like 1 second, come back. Come on. We got next one. There, give me that shit. Give me that. There you go. Dog abuse. Take his treat away. Come on, buddy. Come on. Alright, next one. Come on. You just freaking banged his head on the table right there. Come here. Next one. Let's make this video 10 minutes long, guys. Just kidding. Whatever happens. That's how we do things here. Alright, next one is Merry Turkey or whatever. Smells like bacony barbecue. Which is pretty cool. Odin, bite him. Take that. He's got treats. He's happy. He don't care. Alright, buddy. That's why I didn't have to do the thumbnail, guys. Freaking bull terrier wearing a freaking antler horn. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get that. Freaking Odin goes nuts. So, freaking love these. These actually smell pretty good. They smell pretty good. I probably almost want to eat one, but we're not good at this time. We'll try things. We try things sometimes, but not today. What the hell was that? This weird rumbling sound. Alright, this looks like some kind of freezer. So this is Stink Stank Stunk. They have some weird ass names. BarkBox. I guess you guys try. Extra hard. Dude, am I like covered in this? What the hell? I got a bunch of hair on me. Here you go, boy. Cat? You want no cat? There's no cat here. Yeah, alright guys. We gotta get a freaking picture of this thing. Alright, one more. Hey, he's been a good boy. Look at this. He wore this damn thing the whole video. That's pretty much it, guys. We got a bunch of treats. We got 3 treats, 2 toys, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And like usual, guys, go to BarkBox, guys. Get yourself a freaking box, at least for Christmas. Get your dog a freaking Christmas box. Eh? It's coming green, nice green color. BarkBox, that's what it's called, guys. Have a go, guys. Leave a comment. Come on, leave a comment for this freaking guy, fucking champ, wore his little reindeer head thing, whatever the hell that thing is. Have a good one, guys. See you around.